Hello and welcome to Modulia Studio. In this video, we will see how to use one of the 3D mixers, the square mixer. In 3D mixers, you have mix objects you can grab and move to modulate sounds, just like this. Let's see how to choose the parameters we want to modulate. 3D mixers let you mix up to 3 parameters with a single mix object. In standalone mode, you have access to different properties for each sound, such as filter, reverb, or delay. Let's link reverb dry-wet to width, reverb feedback to depth, and delay feedback to height. The 3 parameters you can control correspond to the 3 space coordinates. Let's hear what it sounds like. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial will show you how to modulate your music production software parameters with the cylinder mixer.